Pretty cheap on Amazon, so I decided to give it a try. So we're gonna pretty much install it, test it, show you all how to get everything working and set up, and yeah, see how it works. So when I open up the box, this is how it initially looks. It's a pretty much a wall switch. It has wires built into it that you have to connect to your existing wires. You can use the screws provided right there, and you can, if you have your own caps, you can put electrical caps and connect it to your existing wires. It comes with the wall plate as well. If you don't have wall plate, you have matching wall plate that goes with it. When you put the wall plate on there, it looks pretty much like any other switch there is on the market. So I mean, it's pretty similar to your existing one. There's a manual that's included, and it shows you everything you need to know of what goes where, what does each part mean, what does each plug mean, how to set up your Amazon Alexa, how to download the app. You can download the app using that QR code, or you can look it up in the App Store. It's called Smart Life. How to register for an account once you open that app. How to connect to your switch once it's all set up and plugged in. Also the Amazon Alexa tutorial and Google Home tutorial. QR codes are included. So all you have to do is scan that using your phone camera, and you can get a quick tutorial. So to begin the installation process, you first need to take off your plate. Now it's recommended first you want to turn off your breaker to cut off all power going to there. And if you need to and you don't feel safe at any time, if you don't feel safe doing what I'm doing, don't do it. Call an electrician, a certified electrician, and get it installed with them. Now I know Amazon has their own services that you can also purchase through when you buy the product, so you can also do that too, another option. So I pulled out the plug, and you can see the wire on the left. That's the one I'm pulling out right now is the neutral wire. So you'll be needing that. It's a white colored wire. Don't have to worry about that one. Now on the left hand side of the existing switch, there's a copper wire that's connected. That's the ground. There's a red and black on the right hand side of that switch right there, and that's the black wire on the bottom. So those are your live and your return. So that's your main power. Make sure no no wires touch at any time. You want to wear some gloves too, just to be safe if you're gonna do it. But I recommend you get it done with an electrician. But just to see how I did it, basically you remove the cap off that the wires that are coming out of the plug. Then you twist it a little bit. You put it next to the new ones, to your existing wire the same color. Black goes to black, red goes to red, white goes to white, and your green goes to your ground cable, the copper. And so you get a twisty cap and twist it on and you give it a slight tug to see if it comes out. You don't want it to come out of the cap. So once you cap it, that's how it should look. Now once you put the cap on there, you twist the cap until it gets so tight you can't twist anymore, and you try to pull on the plug, see if they come out of the cap. They shouldn't. So I tied everything down pretty good, connected everything to the right terminal. Now you get this blinking light. So now that it's blinking, now you need to go to your iPad or iPhone or whatnot. Go to the App Store, type in Smart Home, then download that app right there. And once you download that app, you'll need to create an account. And creating an account, you can just put your phone number and a password, or you can put the email and the password. Once you're logged in, click on the plus, the top right corner, click on the wall switch, and you'll have to put your Wi-Fi network and password information. And then once that's all set up, click on continue, and it'll try to find it while it's blinking. Your wall switch is blinking. It should connect pretty quick. So as you can see, it connected on my iPad. Now you can change the name by editing it right there, or going to settings later on and editing the name. So once you got that set up, you can give it a test. It turns on and off. I can see the light dimming and turning off. So I'm going to change the name to bedroom. So you actually want to change the name in the settings right there. See the modify device name, click on that and change the name from there. Now you want to also, after you do that, you need to set up your Amazon Alexa skill to connect it with Amazon Alexa. So go to your App Store, download Amazon Alexa, and then log in using your Amazon Alexa account information. Then you'll have to search through the skills store within the app, the Amazon Alexa app. And once you click on the skills in the app, it'll come up with a store page like this, and you type in the little search box smart home. So after you search for smart home, you'll see a skill that says smart home. You want to click on enable, and in my case it says disabled because I already have it enabled. But once you click enable, it'll go through the process where you have to sign in to the Smart Life app, and you sign in and then click on smart home, and then you're connected. So now all you have to do is tell Alexa device discovery, and it will search for your new devices. And whatever you name it in the app, like I'm renaming it right now, Bedroom 2, it will look for Bedroom 2 while the Alexa is searching for your devices, and it'll find Bedroom 2. So once you rename it, you have to tell Alexa to Alexa start device discovery. So once you do that, then Alexa will find your device. So as you can see, it's turning on my light. Alexa, turn off Bedroom 2. And then turning it off. So it works pretty good. Bedroom 2. Cool device. It's kind of a little complicated, but same thing Alexa, for Wemo, same thing for any smart switch. This is a little bit more helpful because they have QR codes and stuff, so I would recommend it. Definitely will buy this one again. As always, thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.